plea for forgiveness. Now that their father was dead, Joseph's brothers became fearful and thought, "Suppose Joseph has been nursing a grudge against us, and now most certainly will pay us back in full for all the wrong we did him." So they sent to Joseph and said, "Before your father died, he gave us these instructions. Thus you shall say to Joseph, 'Please forgive the criminal wrongdoing of your brothers who treated you harmfully. So now please forgive the crime that we, the servants of the God of your father, committed.'" When they said this to him, Joseph broke into tears. Then his brothers also proceeded to fling themselves down before him and said, "We are your slaves." But Joseph replied to them, "Do not fear. Can I take the place of God? Even though you meant harm to me, God meant it for good, to achieve this present end, the survival of many people. So now do not fear. I will provide for you and for your children." By thus speaking kindly to them, he reassured them. Joseph remained in Egypt, together with his father's household. He lived 110 years. He saw Ephraim's children to the third generation, and the children of Manasseh's son, Machir, were also born on Joseph's knees.